Hello and welcome back to Wildlifepedia. Today let's know some facts about spotted hyena and striped hyenas. The scientific name for hyena is Hyenidae. There are 4 members of the Hyenidae family. First comes the striped hyena, scientific name is Hyena. Second is the spotted hyena, which are the largest of all the hyenas, their scientific name is Crocuta. Next is the brown hyena, scientific name is Parahyena brunea. And lastly the aardwolf is the smallest, their scientific name Protellus cristatus. They look like wolf but they are from the hyena family. Hyenas are not purely scavengers. Studies have shown that hyenas' 60 to 90% food comes from their hunt. They even steal food from lions, wild dogs, and other predators. They are extremely versatile and successful hunters. They mostly live in savannas, grasslands, woodlands and forest edges across sub-Saharan Africa. Spotted hyena's body can grow to almost 2 meters long, plus a dark, bushy tail measuring 25 to 30 centimeters long. Females are heavier than males, and can weigh up to 170 pounds. Even though hyenas resemble a bit like dogs, but actually, they are not related to the dog species. In fact, they are more genetically related to meerkats and mongooses. Hyenas often hunt in groups and can take down big animals such as wildebeest, antelope, zebras and young hippos. They can sometimes prey on birds, fish, snakes, lizards and insects. Hyenas use several different sounds, postures and signals to communicate with clan members who are up to 5 kilometers away. These various sounds help them to coordinate their movements while they're hunting or to keep track of their other members. Each hyena has a unique laugh that can indicate their age and status in the pack. A group of hyenas can consume an entire zebra including bones and skin under half an hour. They chase their prey for several kilometers till the prey is exhausted. They can run up to 37 miles per hour or 60 kilometers per hour. Hyenas can bring down prey many times their size. They have been recorded to kill Cape buffalo and giraffes. Living in social groups called clans that can contain as many as 130 individuals, spotted hyenas are quite sociable. Hyenas give birth to 1 to 3 tiny jet black cubs. Cubs are always raised in dens. Unlike many of the cat species where cubs are born largely blind and helpless for several weeks, hyena cubs are precocial, meaning they are born in a more advanced stage of development with their eyes open, teeth intact, and muscles ready to go. Their cubs are completely dependent on milk for the first 6 months of their lives and will continue to nurse for up to another year. Clan members meet in the central den. Hyenas and lions are enemies of the bush, and often fight over the same territories and hunt the same prey. This leads to competition between the 2 species, and they steal each other's food and kill the pups of their enemies. The home area of each clan includes a central den which is the center of all activities. Hyenas are very territorial by nature. Each clan defends its area from intruding clans. Hyenas are more intelligent than other wild animals in Africa. In some experiments hyenas outperformed even chimpanzees when it came to collective or group problem solving. Hyenas' jaws have evolved colossal muscles to be able to produce massive amounts of force in a specific section of their jaws, a bite that can kill and also crush bones with the power to exert over 1,100 psi. They can crack open bones nearly 2.5 inches in diameter. Hyenas can live up to 20 years in the wild, unlike wild dogs and other canine species which can live for 6 to 10 years, or even wild felids like lions and tigers that can live up to 10 to 15 years, making them some of the longest living terrestrial carnivores. The longest recorded living spotted hyena was in captivity and lived for up to 41 years. Hyenas are commonly mistaken for African wild dogs, but there are many differences between hyenas and wild dogs, both physically and behaviorally. Hyenas are more competitive over food sources and will turn against the members of their clan. Whereas wild dogs care about the well-being of the pack rather than the individual. As a result, wild dogs share food sources and care for the ill or injured members in their pack. Females dominate in spotted hyena clans. In the clan's strict power structure, the dominance passes down the alpha female's line to her cubs. Unlike other animals, the spotted hyena does not use a den for resting. Instead, they make use of shaded holes and pools during the day. Do you know a hyena's heart is double the size of other mammals of a similar size? These animals can digest items that most animals cannot, like bones and skin. Spotted hyenas are good swimmers, as well as they can run for long distances at 6 miles or 10 kilometers an hour and not get tired. Hyena is the only predator which has jaws that are strong enough to rip and crush an elephant's bone. Now let's see some facts about striped hyenas. Striped hyenas are a bit smaller than spotted hyenas. They have a broad head with dark eyes, a thick muzzle, and large, pointed ears. Their muzzle, ears, and throat are entirely black, but their coat can be golden yellow, brown, or gray with black stripes on the body and legs. A mane of long hair grows along the back. The stealthy hyena camouflages well in tall, dry grass. The most striking feature of the hyena are their legs. The front legs are much longer than the hind legs. This gives them distinctive walk, making them seem like they're always limping. Yet hyenas are agile and can run, trot, and walk with ease. They are native to northern Africa, the Middle East, and India. They live in semi-deserts, rocky scrublands, and savannas. Making sure privacy is respected, hyenas' scent mark the edges of their territory. With sharp vision and acute hearing, and a keen sense of smell, hyenas patrol their territory nightly. The striped hyena's diet varies by season. True to its scavenger nature, the hyena eats leftover carrion whenever possible. Its massive jaws help the hyena crush and swallow even the bones and skin. The hyena's digestive system has adapted to maximize the nutritional value of what they eat, and leaving only the horns, hooves, and hair. Striped hyenas have a reputation for stealing crops like dates, melons, cucumbers, and peaches. They also hunt small reptiles and insects, and are known to catch flying moths, grasshoppers, beetles, and termites. Thought to be solitary, recent studies have shown that in some areas striped hyenas live in small groups of one female and several males. Thank you for watching our video about hyenas. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos about wild animals and wildlife.